जों दिनै जोंनि तिप्रामथानि डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटि दिनै डिक्लेयार खालामना थाङै दङ।
Belakang hambai te khagsamaro tini sini honorable president di Pramotha ngai sinaro vice president tongu ngai sinote opera tongu tini jeng di Pramotha ni district abo jeng declare khaijanai abon se sekang tini tinta point declare khaijanai tongu abna nate overall sabon amprang ingli sabon di Pramotha abo tini belakang khatam togo tini jata bukurongo aklainani kamunga jeng already jeng start thaika tini Delhi chalo abhiyan Delhi thangai sini demand greater Tripuralend no jeng demand khaina bagi tai jeng 125th amendment of 6th schedule abno doti implement khaina bagi jeng abno thanai ngai jeng Delhi abhiyan no thanai jeng more than 1000 youth jalaburi abai ke thanai ngai jeng naro tai parliament the committee the 125th amendment jeta jeng Guwahati aki malai meeting khamini abro bo jeng malai second point ngai jeng desini demand abono government of India ensure khaina bagai sini right sini kita sisi cultural, economic and political right sini demand no ensure khaina bagai sengabono sini indigenous borno bagai abono tibo aro jeng home minister bai jeng malai sini memorandum no jeng pass khaijanai ngai takaisa ngakai sini je lawyer bai jeng kok salainai tamon bagai ini NRC tai Honorable Supreme Court ta nabati len tongka abono sungnai tai abono tamon bagi dilen kabo je lawmaker no sungjarnai last hingga kai sini tongo je Tripuralend tai district committee block no declare kainai tai central committee of paikhankana very shortly central committee declare khaijanai ngai jeng abon bagino jeng sini civil society tai je friend in media tongnai electronic media print media social media abor no jeng poijago je norok sini constitutional safeguard demand no joton palka support khaidi tai abono spread khaidi ang tabo hanhai English British sane Tripuralend is pleased to announce that we have started the process Delhi Chalo Abhiyan, where we will go and demand for Greater Tripuralend and 125th Amendment to immediately implement as it is being already submitted by the parliamentary committee that was constituted by the parliament in this regard. Over 1,000 indigenous youth will participate in this event. Second, we will be putting full pressure to the central government to ensure our constitutional safeguard, our constitutional demand rightfully given to indigenous people. We will also be talking to the lawmaker and the Home Minister why the NRC cases is being delayed in the Honorable Supreme Court. Lastly, Tripuralend is also pleased to announce the district committee today, and later the district committee will announce the block committee, and very shortly central committee also will be announced. We hope that civil society, friends in media will support our constitutional demand, and we look forward from every section, from every corner of Tripura to support our social, culture, economic, and political rights that be immediately be given to us. So now, I would like to hand over to our Honorable President of the Promoter to kindly announce the district committee, and only the president name will be read out. The rest will be sent to the district president to inform all the executive committee members. Thank you.
Jotono hai kaham tini sini Tripromothani tai kaisa program khainani abu program tini chiniago radio mitongkha bongkha district president on the list, the district committee. About the Tripromothani organizational setup ni abo district level is a committee on money. Abo hang awai khlainai. Number 1, Churilam Sipai Zola, Churilam Dhanpur, Box Bazar, Nolchor. All district ni president Machang Biching Devarma. Number 1. Number 2, North Tripura ni sini district committee ni president Machang Suresh Riyan. Number 3, Takarjola Bakma Gulagati by Kakrabon district ni president Amrit Devarma. Number 4, Khwai district ni president Machang Amrit Devarma. Number 5, Ambasa, Kanchanchara, Chamonu district, Dhalai district ni president Ratish Tripura. Korbuk district inclusive of Zolaibari, Manubangpur, Raima Valley, Korbuk ni district president ongklai Gobindo Tripura. Number 7, West district ni president ongklai Machang Tony Devarma. Number 8, Kalyanpur, Krishnapur, Telumrani district president Machang Ranjit Devarma. Number 9, Amarpur district president ongklai Machang Osiram Riam. Number 10, Unakoti district president ongklai Machang Dhirendra Devarma. Agartala city district ni president Ramesh Devarma. Tai last, number 12, Sabroom district ni president Machang Porimal Riyan. Abona tabo ini Tripromothani organizational setup ni the district committee of ni president abochin awai khlai mangkha ebong u district netritwa rokno next few days bisingo block committee of brau awai khlainai tai sing chini spokesperson saman haitei no je u biskang shortly chini central committee Tripromothani go awai khlaijaknai abo ang president Tripromothani amoi tabo abono awai ma khaikha. Thank you. हामबाय